Why do you need dashboards? When you have a lot of data, you want to be able to see it in an overview. It helps show where you've been and guys where you want to go. With dashboards on monday.com, you can display this data. Now, in this video, we're going to be taking a look at adding a dashboard from workspace and also adding in dashboard widgets as well. So on the left side, if I were to come over here on my main workspace, then over here you guys can basically see that we have our main dashboard over here. So to add a dashboard, I will simply click on the top left on add, then I will click on new dashboard, and over here I can either have it be a main dashboard or have it be a private dashboard. Now I will for now have it be a main dashboard, then I will click on create dashboard, and of course I can also add in my custom workspaces over here. I will click on done, and then I will click on got it, and then after that now I have successfully created my dashboard. Now from over here, you guys can basically add in widgets as well on your dashboard. You guys can add in a battery widget, a chart widget, a Gantt widget, a numbers, and a workload widget. Now over here, I will add in a battery widget, and then after that, of course, I can also click on add widget, and I can pick from any one of these widgets from over here. So I can also add in a chart widget as well. I can modify the contents of this chart too, and all in all, I can just simply add in whatever else I might want over here, and I can modify it as per my requirements as well. I can also move this around as well by simply dragging and moving it around on the whole dashboard. Now I'll go over here once again, and then after that I can simply click on apps, and now I can see all the apps that monday.com offers, and on the left side you guys can also see categories of these apps. So over here you guys can add in timely, Miro, agile reports, page proof, ECRM, dashboards by Screenful, Circle CI, and so many other widgets as well. So like all in all, the options are definitely there, and you guys can add in whatever you want, as many widgets as you want, and also modify it as per your needs. So guys, that is how you guys can create a dashboard on monday.com and also add in widgets on monday.com. So guys, this was the video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.